I'm in Costa Rica right now, and over the last 2 weeks, I've made over $26,000 Canadian came in while I was traveling. Now, here's what most people don't expect. This didn't come from working more hours. It didn't come from being glued to my phone, and it didn't come from running ads. And some of this income came while I was swimming in the pool, walking around Costa Rica, exploring, and just making memories, because the work was done before I ever got on the plane. So today I want to show you how that's even possible. I'm not going to teach some hype. I'm not going to teach something that's crazy. This is just a simple framework that I learned that allows income to actually travel with you. If you've ever wondered whether this can really work after 50, stay with me, my friend, because order matters. So if you're over 50 and you've worked hard your whole life, and the truth is you still need income, that was me, but the dream has shifted. You want to retire earlier if possible. You want to travel while you still have the energy and your health, and you want to afford travel, not just talk about it. Maybe earning an income online has crossed your mind at some point, but you thought it sounds complicated, or I wouldn't even know where to start. I used to think that too. If we haven't met yet, hey, I'm Wendy. I'm a 57-year-old wife, grandma from Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to build travel-ready income by learning online digital skills. So life doesn't have to wait till retirement. Now, a quick note before we get going. I've put together a Freedom Formula Blueprint, which really breaks down the exact steps that I took. Very simply, it's free, and you can find it linked in the description below. Now, let me take you back to where this really started for me. For most of my life, income meant one thing: showing up at a job, being in one location, on somebody else's schedule. Living in Canada also meant that long winters and very little flexibility for me. And here's the honest part. We were still stupid short for retirement, and that mattered because I didn't have time to dabble. If I didn't go to work, I didn't get paid. So when I started looking online, I wasn't looking for extra money. I was really trying to answer one question: how do I create an income that can replace my 9-to-5 and still work if I want to travel? That's a very different goal than some kind of side hustle. I wanted complete transformation. And this is where most people get kind of stuck, like I did too. I started by trying to be an Amazon influencer. I tried print on demand. I even did affiliate marketing and many more things. And yes, they all made me some money, but not enough to leave my 9-to-5, not enough to fund any type of for travel, and definitely not enough to feel secure. They were tactics, not a system. And that's when I realized something really big, that if I wanted income that I could travel with, I needed a real online digital skill set, not a physical skill, a skill that I could use from my phone, from my laptop, anywhere. So an online skill. That skill ended up being digital marketing. And this just isn't my opinion. Like, look here. Forbes says that for years, digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skill sets, and it continues to rise. That's when everything changed. I realized at that point, I had a choice. I could take a traditional college route, like look right here. This is a traditional route, learn a skill, finish the course, and then figure out it on my own. Or I could choose e-learning. And e-learning mattered because it gave me flexibility. I could learn online, work around my job, work around being a grandma, do everything from my laptop and not be tied to a location. And honestly, it was a lot less money to invest than a traditional college program. I could learn this in the pockets of my day. So a couple hours a day here and there, like not full-time hours, right? Like just fitting it around what I was doing. So once I stopped chasing ideas and I focused on the right framework, everything became clear. And if you want income that travels, you need 3 things. And the program that I took taught me all 3. First, you do need something to sell. Income doesn't just happen without exchanging something. You can either create your own digital product or start with something that is already created for you. In the beginning, I didn't want to create my own. I had no idea how to create my own. Not because I couldn't, but because I really didn't know where to start. I really wanted a faster option. So the program I took gave me 10 pre-built digital programs that I could use and promote right away. So while I was learning, I also had something real to offer. And get this, I could make 100% profit from that. Like, how crazy is that? And then later, once I had the skills, I did go on to create my own digital products. And I'll come back to that in a minute. The second thing that you need is traffic. Now, traffic just means how people find you online, because a product doesn't really matter if nobody sees it. You could have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, it's not going to sell. And I tried getting traffic from Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and they all worked for me. But YouTube became the best long-term strategy. People don't just scroll past you on YouTube. They spend time with you. They hear your story and they build trust. And once you're monetized, YouTube pays you through AdSense, which I didn't even know. And in the last 90 days alone, this is what I've earned from YouTube AdSense, $7,000. So that's crazy, right? And if you're really curious about YouTube, I have put my YouTube Success Starter Kit in the description below. Grab it and see for yourself about starting YouTube. I highly recommend it. The third thing you need is automation. This is what makes travel income livable. Now, automation doesn't mean robots, and it doesn't mean tech overwhelm. It just means systems doing the repetitive work for you. Now, about a year ago, I took my family on a dream trip to Florida. Disney, actually. My grandkids had a wonderful time. And here we were at a water park, laughing, making memories. And while we were there, sales were coming in on my phone. Not because I was working, but because my systems were already set up. Now, the same thing happened here in Costa Rica. While I was flying with my phone on airplane mode, everything kept running. When I landed and I turned my phone back on, sales were there waiting for me. Now that's automation. And I did eventually go on and create my own digital products with automation. And today I generate over $10,000 a month from those. But I want to be very clear. I did not start there. Learning digital skills first and using a done-for-you foundation is what made that possible for me. The program that I took taught me how to learn digital marketing, how to work with digital products, how to drive traffic, and how to automate everything. And the learning really never stops. It's been over 2 years now since I've been in this program, and the online space continually changes, right? So we get updated all the time. So we're always on top of what's going on. And I'm never left figuring things out alone. That's why I always recommend this as the foundation for anybody who's wanting to learn this skill. And if you want to understand it in more detail, there's a free class that explains it step by step. There's no pressure, it's just clarity. So you can find that in the description below whenever you're ready to watch it. Now let me ask you something. If your income could travel with you, where would you go first? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to see how I use this exact strategy to retire myself at 55 and make over $650,000 in my first year, then you're going to want to watch this video right here, my friend, because I break it all down. I'll see you in the next video.